Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on General Management. After that, you need to tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. If you wish to manage them, just tap on the switches next to chosen ones. Or click on, for example, Auto Replace and click on the sweater here. You can also scroll down, tap on more typing options, and manage all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!